differences and similarities between fake and original Timberland boots. Hey, what's up? My name is Mo, and here I'm trying to show you the differences and similarities between fake and original Timberland boots. I bought both of them at almost the same time. They are both comfortable, but they have different issues. Like this one, a year ago, the stick here between the two parts wasn't good, and everything was going out from inside, like pieces of the shoes. So I had to have it fixed. If you see here, there is a cut. So they opened it and they fixed it. Also from inside, you will see that the leather is not in its place. Also, this piece is so soft and it moves. It's annoying when you try to wear it. Now this part is turning into a peak. It looks like the shoes has a mouth. This one, no. It still has the same shape, the same look. And also the lines here, if you focus, you will find out that the lines are not well done. Here they started this part in a very good way, but then every line goes in a separate direction, which makes it very cheap, look very cheap. But here, if you look at the original one, it's fantastic, you know, it's very skillful. And these two pieces never go out. The quality of the strap, this one is better than that one. This one's still in a good shape, in a good condition. It doesn't have any problem. I might switch actually, because this one has some issues like this, which is very hard to fix. So this is how you can figure out. You can figure out from the sign, the mark, the trademark. You know, here it's almost touching the lower part of the shoes, but here, no, it is upside. The genuine one comes with this piece of leather with the sign and the trademark. It's written guaranteed waterproof Timberland. And it is, yes, it is waterproof. This piece is still very hard. It is not soft. But this one, look, it's so soft. So I think people buy the original ones because they want good quality and they want to go through a very good experience. But the cheap ones are very cheap. I got this for like 25 JDs, which is almost like $35. But this one, I got it for 135 JDs, which is almost $200. I use it only in winter because summertime here in Jordan is very hot, so you cannot wear these in Jordan. So I don't know, in some countries it's illegal to sell these, but you know, in the Middle East things are easier to manipulate. Like you can sell these, buy these, it's okay. These are so expensive. The original ones are so expensive. This is what I wanted to tell you about my boots. And in the next episode, I'm going to be showing you the way how to clean these boots with limited budget, like low price. You can use things from the house, things in the house. Thank you so much. Bye bye.